we're gonna do a little reverse seared picanha today on that wood fire. We're gonna give it all that good wood fire flavor, right? Using our smoky pecan pellets. So what you'll see me doing right here to prepare it is we're slicing it with the grain. Now I know when other meat cooks that I do, I slice against it. Tell you why. When you're slicing into these steaks, you want it with the grain. So when they're done, you're slicing against the grain to eat them up, right? Right. Guys, you'll see I got some fancy new glasses for Christmas. All right, these are the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, so I'm gonna try to use them a little bit more in the cooks so you can see a little first-person point of view. Let me know what you think. They're interesting. It's interesting to get used to, but hey, gotta give it something new. After we slice those steaks, we season them up with just a little sea salt, okay? You don't need to do more than that on these. Of course, I'm going to, but we wanted to let it set, absorb some of that salt. Usually, ideally, I do it overnight, kind of like the dry brine, but I didn't have time to do that, so we just got a few hours of just absorbing that good salt flavor. Now we're gonna season it up with a little garlic jalapeno rub by Heath Riles. All right, I'll put a link down below, you check it out. I figured that garlic jalapeno flavor would go great with that picanha. It's not traditional. Usually traditional, you just leave the sea salt on there, but I'm a non-traditional kind of guy, so we're gonna use this. And of course, we're gonna throw in our TempSpike Plus. We're gonna throw it in the thickest one. We're gonna smoke them until they hit 125, and we'll use the app to make sure we're at 125. It's gonna let us know when it's done. You got 600 feet of Bluetooth connectivity. Can't go wrong. Use my link right now, save you a little bit of cash, and I think they're doing a buy one, get one on this, so don't miss out on that, all right? We're gonna set that wood fire to 275, give it that good smoke. Once that smoke is done and we're at that 125, I'm gonna move that wood fire to grill setting high. We'll give these a nice sear on both sides. Take it to that 135, that medium rare we want. Let them rest, slice into them, easy as can be, right? Right. All right, nothing left to do but get down here. Let's season up these bad boys. I'm gonna use my new Ray-Bans, so I'll have that camera that you're looking through right now on me, and then I'll have the Ray-Bans on the side so you can see what I'm doing. We're just trying out new things, see if we can level it up a little bit. Let me know what you think. Let's come down here and get these seasoned up. All right, we're putting the glasses on. Get me all gloved up real quick. Turn them on. All right, we're recording. Got my rub right here. And we're just gonna season these bad boys up. Pretty simple, light coat. Just add in flavor, baby. I like this garlic jalapeno rub. It's good stuff, y'all. Check it out. It goes great on beef. Nice season job, don't forget the edges. Okay, looking good. Now we got our TempSpike going in. All right, get our TempSpike in. TempSpike Plus, beg your pardon. We go right in the middle so we get accurate temps. Turn this off. All right. All right, guys. I don't know if that's worked out real well or not, but hey, we're gonna let these set for a hot minute. Let's get outside, set up that wood fire, get them on, right? Get ready for a flavor overload. All right, guys. Come on back. All right, team, we're outside. We got our grill plate in there, smoky pecan pellets in, TempSpike in the picanha. We're gonna go to the mode smoker setting. Temp, let's take that down to 275. Timing, bump it up to an hour. I don't think it'll take that long, but I'll have to mess with it later. Our wood fire flavor button is lit. Hit start. Let it go through that ignition process. We'll get on. That beautiful smoke rolling. It's about ready for us to get the picanha on. Woo, look at all that smoke, baby. I'm gonna give them a little bit of space in between. You know that right there is a chorus line of flavor. Let's go. Shut it down, give it a smoke bath, and then we'll sear them off. Guys, we were up to temp. It took 25 minutes to get these going. Let me bring you in closer. Look at those beautiful steaks. That fat cap. Woo-wee. All right, now let's get them off. Get them on the tray. Let them relax a little bit. Shut up. This thing's always beeping at me, guys. Now we're gonna shut this down. Turn it off because I don't feel like messing with it. It says bye, bye, bye. Turn it back on. Gonna do the grill setting on high. 10 minutes is fine. We don't need the wood fire flavor anymore. The smoke's already kind of rolling in there, so it'll grab it. Hit start. Let it go through that preheat, and then we'll sear off them steaks. Okay, guys. Woo! She's smoking. We got our grills fired up. Let's get those nice sear marks on our picanha. Make sure you got nice, good contact on the grates. And we're just gonna go for about a minute aside. So a minute, flip, and then another minute and flip. Oh, those are nice, juicy steaks. Okay, let's give these a flip. Oh yeah, we got those beautiful sear marks. That's what everybody wants right there. Oh yeah, babe. Look at that. Charlie's ready for some. All right, we're gonna let them sear for another minute. Take them off, let them rest. I'll meet you inside. All right, y'all, we're back. We've let these picanha steaks rest. They're juicy as can be. I'm gonna get them on the cutting board right here, and we're gonna slice one of them up, and I'm gonna bring you with me. So let's turn on our feature glasses. All right, we're recording. Now we're looking, we got our Dalstrong knife right here. Got our beautiful picanha. And this is why we cut with the grain. So when we slice them, we're cutting against the grain. So we're gonna have nice tender pieces. Got a beautiful medium to medium rare going on in there. This is weird because I'm using sunglasses to do this, but the present came as sunglasses and not regular glasses. So I might have to put my prescription in these bad boys. Look at that gorgeousness right there. Look at so tender, so juicy. Gonna love that fat cap on there because you know fat is flavor. And that's why you know I'm very flavorful. Right, Brandon?
That's right.
Got my buddy Brandon here helping me out, doing a little taste testing. Let's go. You gotta get them lined up real nice. Getting ready for the picture. Get you in close up. Look at that, beautiful, tender, gorgeous. Just like your boy, tender and gorgeous. Right, Brandon? He's not saying right. What the hell?
Oh, that's funny.
All right, guys. Look at that. You know you got to position it right. Come on. Oh, yeah. That bite right there, that's mine. Whew. All right, let's take these bad boys off. In the comments down below, let me know if you like this dual view thing. All right, that is a gorgeous piece of meat. That's what Mrs. CJ says about me. I'd say right, Brandon, but I don't think that'll come across right. All right, look at that beautiful picanha. Look at the colors. Smoky, spicy deliciousness. Guys, we're done. It's all sliced up. I showed you how pretty it is. Pretty in pink. I'm gonna get me a little piece right here. Right? Guys, don't cut off that fat cap. Fat is flavor. Right? Let's get a bite. Oh my God. It just falls apart. Tender as can be. Towel worthy. Guys, it's perfectly seasoned using that Heath Riles barbecue rub. Like I said, I'll put a link down below for that. If you haven't had picanha before, it's like the top sirloin or the coulette of the cow. So give it a shot. It's a real nice tender cut of meat. It's also nice and flavorful, nice and beefy. Like I said, just like your boy. But guys, if you can get your hands on it, hook it up. This, and I'm a California boy, but this might be better than tri-tip. So I'm just throwing it out there. If you can find some, get some. Guys, don't forget I got e-cookbooks for the Woodfire Grill, so if you want to check those out, links down below. They're $5 each, but if you buy the bundle, it's $15, save you $5, right? For the knives, the cutting boards, merch, thermometers, all that good stuff. Links are all down below for them. Don't forget that TempSpike Plus, the buy one, get one right now. And with my code, it saves you even a little bit more money. If you'd like to become a show producer, like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that love themselves a good picanha, especially if it's been reverse seared like these bad boys, there are two ways to join up. Either you hit that Patreon link in my video description, or you hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.